oceans apart. Life in Samoa was easy. Life in New Zealand is hard, sighed Nana. No way, Nana! Life in New Zealand is easy. Life in Samoa is hard, said Faiupu. Listen to your Nana, Faiupu. I'm old and wise. But I'm young and smart, laughed Faiupu. Oh, but a whale in Samoa, said Nana. It doesn't cost a lot of money. But the houses in New Zealand are cosy and comfortable, said Faiupu. Oh, but the jobs in Samoa, said Nana. You can work early in the morning, then malolo when the sun is too hot. But the jobs in New Zealand pay money to look after all of us, said Faiupu. Oh, but in Samoa, said Nana, we can walk wherever we need to go because everything is close by. But the cars in New Zealand, said Faiupu, we can drive fast and get to places quickly. Oh, but the mea ai in Samoa, said Nana. The fresh pawpaws and coconuts, the breadfruit in the trees. But the food in New Zealand, Nana, squealed Faiupu. We have Samoan food and food from all over the world. You know what, Faiupu, said Nana. You are young and smart. And you know what, Nana, said Faiupu. You are old and wise. And they giggled and laughed and disagreed some more. I think when we listen deeply to each other, we're both right, said Nana. Amene, said Faiupu, and into her grandma's arms she went.